Good morning. Welcome to the show. Wednesday, the 18th of December. And yeah, we got a couple of live viewers. If one of you can do me a favor and tell Mandela the holidays start next week. So, what are we up to? Coming to the end of the year, so it's time to do a little bit of paper trading, just confirm some strategies, and that's what I'm looking at right now. So, yeah, back to the original strategy, been hopping about, I suppose, a lot last month. Been talking to some other traders, been trialing some strategies for them, and due to the times I trade, they don't really suit my time frames. I like to trade between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. And as always, what we're doing is, we're trading gold on the 5-minute chart. We're waiting for the price to come to us, and then we're actually looking for a break of the Heikin-Ashi levels with a confirmation of a set buy or a sell signal. So we're doing a little bit of paper trading this morning, and we're in a sell position. We can see we got our sell indication here. The price broke below the Heikin-Ashi level, but we got a strong vertical support here. So what we're really going to be looking at is for the price to break through this support level, and hopefully we can get a push down into the take profit. So that's what we're looking at this morning. We're also going to cover some news. We got a lot of high impact news today. So we'll pop over to myfxbook.com, and also ChatGPT will give us the news for today. So let's give Mandela a few minutes. I think it's going to be fashionably late this morning. And I know he's been on the good list this year, so I got a good feeling that Santa's going to bring him a new alarm clock. So while we're watching this price move, I've actually taken a trade on TopStep X as well. So actually paper trading here. So great thing about TopStep, if you hop over to there, you can actually get yourself a practice account as well. So start off 150k. We got a balance of 163. This is great if you want to try out different strategies. If you want to max out on your contracts, see how quick you can pass. And what I'm looking at here, so we did look at a buy this morning. I woke up quite early, actually jumped into a buy, got quite close to take profit. I think we were about 3 or 4 ticks away, and then we got the reversal on the price. So we stopped out at a break even of 977, and we can see here now we got the price breaking below the anchored VWAP. I'm breaking below the 9 moving average, so we should be getting a push down on price. But I'm just mindful that we got this support level here. So what we need to see is the price actually break through here, and we should get a push down. What I've done earlier as well is you can see these 2 black lines in a yellow shaded area. So this is our Asian range. So this is where the market's opened. This is the Asian high, Asian low. And what I will be looking for as well later on in the day is if the price breaks through the Asian low, looking to take a short position, or if the price is bullish and breaks through this high, we will be looking to go long. So we get the test here now of this support level. Need to get a breakthrough on this price. Let me just zoom that in for you guys. So we got a vertical support here. So we can get a breakthrough here. We should get a push down to that take profit level. So what have I been up to? Any questions, drop them into the chat, get them into the comments. But just want to share with you this book. So this is on my Christmas list. It's a little bit expensive, right? £41, around $50. I've had a look online, I can't find it anywhere. So it looks like I'm going to have to pay the full price. And this is what I'm going to do over the Christmas holidays, is I'm going to read through this book of anchored VWAP. Comes strongly recommended by some good traders, so I can't think of the name top of my head, but his name's Austin, and he trades the anchored VWAP, and he strongly recommended this book. So I'm gonna buy this for myself. I think I'm gonna treat myself for Christmas, and it takes you all through VWAP, how it works. And I've actually got some great examples as well. Let me keep scrolling down. So here we are. It's telling you how to use the VWAP. Basically, it's better than the moving average. We get the price opening below the VWAP, and you can see we got some sellers in control. So quite interested in this book. So yeah, that's on my Christmas list. And that's what I will be doing. Okay, let's yeah, we're starting to break through this vertical support here. We can see we've tested that level. Let's see if we can get a push down on the next candle. But while we're waiting for that, let's pop over to the news for today. So we can see in about 6 hours time, so I think that's going to be around 2 p.m. in the UK. Yeah, we got lots of news coming from the US. So hopefully we'll be out of our trades by then. And this is going to have an impact on the price. So if you're trading gold or anything really USD based, it's going to affect the price. So just be careful later on. And high impact, you got the FOMC, got the Fed interest rate, and we actually got a press conference as well. So expecting lots of price movement around, what was it? Around 2:30 p.m. here in the UK. So just be mindful of that. And if we pop over to ChatGPT, she'll actually give us an explanation of what's going on.
Good morning. Here's an overview of today's medium and high impact economic events that could influence XAU-USD, gold versus US dollar. Key events. 1. Federal Reserve interest rate decision. The Federal Reserve is expected to announce a 25 basis point interest rate cut, with indications of a slower pace for future cuts. This decision is anticipated to impact the US dollar strength, thereby affecting gold prices. 2. Bank of Japan policy decision. The Bank of Japan is expected to maintain its current interest rates. Any unexpected changes could influence the yen and, indirectly, the US dollar and gold. Site Turn News 10. 3. U.S. Consumer Price Index (CPI) data. Recent data showed a 0.3% rise in November, meeting forecasts. Inflation trends are crucial as they influence the Federal Reserve's monetary policy decisions, impacting the U.S. dollar and gold prices. Market sentiment, U.S. dollar stability. The U.S. dollar has remained stable despite investor expectations of a Federal Reserve rate cut. A stable or stronger dollar can exert downward pressure on gold prices. Australian dollar movements. The Australian dollar experienced a significant increase due to stronger than expected domestic employment data, indicating a robust labor market. While this doesn't directly impact XAUSD, it reflects broader market risk sentiment. Site Turn News 10. Considerations for XAUSD traders. Interest rate decisions. Gold is sensitive to interest rate changes, especially from major central banks like the Federal Reserve and the Bank of Japan. Lower interest rates can reduce the opportunity cost of holding non-yielding assets like gold, potentially boosting its appeal. Inflation data. Inflation metrics such as the CPI are critical as they influence central bank policies. Higher inflation may lead to tighter monetary policies, affecting gold prices. Geopolitical events. Ongoing geopolitical tensions, including conflicts in the Middle East and Ukraine, contribute to market volatility, which can drive demand for safe haven assets like gold. Site out the day. Stay updated with these events, as they can significantly
Okay, thanks ChatGPT. So yeah, she's not as entertaining as Mandela, and she doesn't give us the best breakdown. It's actually quite broad. Yeah, but pop over to my fxbook.com. You've got the economic calendar. You can actually mark it into your charts what you need to do. So yeah, look at this like paper trade on gold. So I am going to be paper trading until the new year. And what we're probably going to do is we will wrap up the daily show on the pre-market show 2 p.m. on Friday. And then what we might do next week, might just do a little bit of homework. So I'll just show you where how I mark up the Asian high and low. And also I'll just show you a real quick and easy way how to mark up support and resistance. So anyone that's using trend lines and technical analysis, just an easier way to help you. But any comments, please drop them into the chat. We're looking at this trade, and yeah, we can't break through this vertical support here. You can actually see we've had a rejection, and we could see a price push up into our stop loss. So just going to monitor this price, and yeah, I just want to quickly go into the banners. Okay, so yeah, you can see the strategy we trade in. It's the strategy that we used in the beginning with Top Step X. So we're actually trading the trend we're actually looking for the buy signal, break above the Heikin-Ashi level, and then we're looking for 30 tick profit, 30 tick stop. So that's what I'm looking at the moment. We let this trade play out. We'll probably end the show in about 5 minutes. Yeah, you can see what we're up to. Any questions, please let me know. And what we'll do is we'll be back live trading in the new year. So we're just going to paper trade this week. We're just going to follow this strategy from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. every morning. So while we're here, I just want to quickly say big shout out to TradeZella.com and STSForex.com for sponsoring today's show. And with TradeZella, it's the only tool you need to become profitable. So it's ideal for tracking your trades. So it's powerful and automated trade journaling. So pop over to TradeZella.com and have a look at those guys. And you can see you can link up MetaTrader 4, your TradeAvate account, NinjaTrader. So whatever platform you're using for trading, you can link it up to TradeZella. You can analyze your trading stats, so you can actually have a look at what you're doing. Yeah, you can gain some key insights. You can leverage up to 50 reports to monitor your trading progress. You can actually have a deep dive into your strategy. You can understand your trading and behavior. You can get a summary of what's working for you and what's not. And then once you put all the data into TradeZella, you have a profitable strategy. So you can get your win rate, your profit and loss, missed trades, what you're expecting to win in average losers. And then you can even go one step further, doing some backtest replays to help yourself improve. So yeah, pop over to TradeZella.com. A fantastic tool for any traders, and it's a great way for you to journal your trades. So back to the trades. Yeah, we're definitely rejecting this vertical support here. We're actually getting a push up, so I can see us flip-flopping. I can see us reversing this trade into a buy. Just quite mindful that we have got resistance and support here. So like I say, if we do go into a buying opportunity, we haven't got much wiggle room really for the trade, but we could see the price push up to this Asian high. So we just keep an eye on this. And yeah, we could be reversing this trade pretty soon. So while we're waiting for the trade, yeah, for people wanting to learn how to trade, pop over to STSForex.com. So it is the all-in-one complete trading package. So Ken over at STSForex.com, yeah, he can teach you technical analysis, support and resistance, and he also has some real clever indicators that help you trade. So yes, give these guys a visit, say that we sent you from SFX, and they will look after you. Okay, back to the trade. I'm just going to open up the Forex charts, have a quick look. So yeah, we tested the Asian low, which was actually here on the Forex, and we seem to be breaking through the 9 moving average. But I think we're still in a downtrend. So yeah, we'll stay in this trade unless we get an indication to reverse. So any questions, pop them into the chat and I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, we're just going to watch this trade. Let's see if we can catch a winning trade this morning. Potentially we could be reversing this trade pretty soon. Yeah, and if anyone's watching in London, if you want to give Mandela a knock, he's still on the 1 tick, so I think he's sleeping pretty well this morning. He's still on Central Time for sure. Okay, so this trade, let's have a look what's going on. Yeah, so a bit of a vertical resistance here. Yeah, let's keep an eye on this trade. While we're talking about trades, we always talk about coffee. So yesterday I had the great gift of something called Skull Crusher coffee. It's the strongest coffee on the market, and yeah, just had a double espresso now, so it's got 3 times the caffeine yet to power your day, and yeah, it's starting to kick in pretty good right now. So yeah, supercharge your mornings. And yeah, I'll vouch for this coffee. It is strong. It's great stuff. I'm enjoying that. Yeah, it's probably the most I've talked on stream on my own. So yeah, the coffee's definitely working. And yeah, let's see if we can get a push through this level here. So this is what I'm looking at. So yeah, we need the price to break through this vertical support level. Open below here. See if we can get a push down into our take profit. So we got a little bit of news coming from the UK this morning in about 30 minutes time. So we got some high impact news from the UK. So we got inflation rate, and how's it looking for the UK? We'd not expecting much movement, expecting it to be around the same level. So we'll probably stay on until that comes out and see if it affects the price. Okay, let's see if we can get a push down and break that vertical support level and get into that take profit. So yeah, we're probably gonna wrap up on Friday around 2 o'clock. Probably shut down for a week or two. What I will do is I probably will stream, but I won't be trading. I'll probably go through that VWAP book with you, and I'm just gonna show you some tricks on the chart, how to quickly mark in support resistance, how to draw in some vertical trend lines, and how you can trade really trend support resistance, how you can trade those levels. So yeah, super easy how to mark up. A lot of people do it a complicated way, but once I show you this, yeah, it'll take you no more than 5 to 10 minutes on a Sunday evening, Monday morning. Okay, just over to top step, and yeah, we got a similar trade in. So we trade in 30 ticks. Well, I've actually maxed out on the contracts, but we are paper trading, so yeah, it's a good way to practice. And yeah, we just need to break this support level here to get that push down. So keep watching this trade. Okay, looks like we're going to break this support level, and if we do, we should get a push down into the price. So yeah, we test this level here. Let's see if we can get a push down. Okay, got some good news. We got Mandela on 2 ticks, so he could be joining us soon. Just gonna have to remind him that he's not on Central Time anymore. But yeah, here we go, starting to get the push down. Quick look at top step. Yeah, we're still testing that level. We have life. Mandela's just messaged me. Good morning, bro. If you're watching, feel free to jump on, come and rescue me a bit. This trade's taking forever. Okay, this trade's taking its time. We're looking for a break of this support here. If we can get a break below, yeah, we could see push down to the take profit levels, consolidating around this price. Could see us reversing the trade for buying opportunity comes in. But yeah, let's keep an eye on this trade. Okay, just under a minute to go now. Let's see if we can get a push down on the next candle. Okay, let's see if we can break this support level. It's probably going to be looking favorable for a buy if we break here. Okay, let's see what we got. So yeah, we're back to trade in 6 to 8. Yeah, we're back to my strategy. Yeah, last month or so, yeah, we were looking at some other strategies. So 1 second, who have we got?
Good morning, Andrew. You haven't had to use that graphic for a long time. I'm sorry, it was a bit of a long night last night. and I'm here. It's great to be on the show.
Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Bon apres midi. Good Nachmittag. How are we?
I am good, man. I'm good. I wanted to wish you a happy belated birthday. How was your birthday?
Yeah, quiet, to be honest. Quiet. I'm not one for birthdays and New Year's and things like that. Just how can I say, another revolution around the sun. Woohoo! Right, let's get back to trading. You know what I'm like. But I will say, I did have some real good coffee. It's called Skull Crusher coffee, and it's like the strongest coffee you can buy. And yeah, it's definitely worked this morning. So fantastic. So what I'm looking at before we jump into the charts is I'm looking at gold. I explained earlier now. I don't think it's favorable to be trading right now leading up to Christmas. I'm just doing a little bit of paper trading. Back to the original strategy, that was working well for us. Did get sidetracked, I'd say, the last couple of weeks, testing out some strategies for people. But yeah, we're back to what we know, trading 6 to 8. We did take a buy here. Actually woke up quite early this morning. So we took a buy. I think we were about 3 ticks away from our profit. And we've taken this sell here. We seem to be stuck around this vertical support level. So I'm looking for a break at this level to get a push down into our take profit. So that's where we're at this morning. And I did explain that Friday's pre-market show will probably be our last show of trading. Then what I might do over Christmas, might just do a couple of videos on support resistance, just marking up your charts, and just some education pieces really over the Christmas period. I did say what I'm looking at is I'm actually going to buy this book. I'm going to treat myself, so let me just show you this book.
Is this a Christmas present?
It's a Christmas present to myself. So
nice,
it's a little bit pricey, right? Yeah, for £41 or $55, but comes strongly recommended, and I've had a look everywhere for it. The only place you can really get it is Amazon, and it looks quite good actually. So explains everything about the VWAP. I am quite interested in how this works. Does seem more reliable than a moving average, right? So quite interested in this, and how the price works. So
that would be a nice little Christmas read. Have a nice cup of tea or a cup of coffee, and
a cup of coffee, turkey sandwich, and just find somewhere quiet. I might just leave the phone at home and go and sit in the park and give it a read for a couple of hours.
That would be nice. That would be beautiful, man.
So that's the plan. So I've done a little bit of the news through my FX book and ChatGPT, but obviously we need your insight. So shall we go to the news?
Let's do it, Andrew. Let's have a look at today's news. Brought to you by none other than TradeZella. So today we have quite a bit of news coming up. I think the first one, let's see. The first one that we're going to be looking at, make sure we got the right date today, Wednesday, December 18th. So we will have we've just about to receive the UK's CPI and PPI. So that's a 3-star event, which is going to be out any second now. So that could move any GBP pairs, any pound pairs. So let's have a look at that and see what happens in the next few minutes. Also, the big one over in Europe is the same. It's CPI, PPI. That's coming out at 10 a.m. our time. That's a 3-star event as well. And that's Consumer Price Index over in Europe. Just getting it here. Let's have a quick look. So we got all the CPI. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful thing for a trader, Andrew. All these things just lit up one time. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, I need to get over to investing.com. Probably swap it from my FX book. But let me see how we go. Yeah, in fairness, my FX book, they got the data out as well.
They do. Okay, good. Yeah, we can have a look at some pound pairs and see if they've moved at all.
If I'm reading this right, they should have moved down but we'll have a quick look.
Yeah, we can have a look in a sec. Yeah, this is the main one. The inflation in the UK from last year to this year, they're expecting it to be 2.6, and it is 2.6. So we'll see. There's a lot of other forms of inflation, but we'll have a look at the chart as soon as let's just get through the US session news. So the main news out of the US, we got this crude oil inventories, which is not really that major, and then it's this is the big boy here. It's FOMC. Let's go from here. So it's these ones here. So we got the FOMC interest rate decision. They're expected to reduce the interest rate by 25 basis points, so 0.25%. That's a big one. And then also the press conference is going to be taking place a half an hour later. So looking at 7 o'clock today for us, and then 7:30 for us. That's it. Just be aware of it. If you're not trading it, don't trade it. But don't go in blind. And you could see a big move at 7 o'clock UK time. Just be prepared, everyone. That's your news update from provided for us by courtesy of TradeZella, your one-stop shop.
Fantastic. And let's pop over to the charts. Have a quick look at pound dollar, shall we?
Okay, I was just having a look at Bitcoin when I got when we started. But let's have a look at pound dollar first. Bitcoin's come down a bit. It's come down fairly abruptly, I guess. Let's have a look at pound dollar first, since we were talking about that. So if we zoom in, that's it. You called it.
Yeah.
That's it. You called it. Wait, it's not pitch. So that's the big drop that we saw based off the inflation news. And this is the reason why we like to at least be aware of news. Imagine you're coming in here, you're long, you're adding to your position, and then all of a sudden all your stop losses are gone. You could even be short here and still be stopped out.
Yeah.
So
that's a really good point. Yes, the London Open be interesting today, but hopefully I'll be out of the trade by then. So let's go.
Did gold move? Oh look, this is euro pound. It went the opposite way. Okay, you want to have a look at which one?
Should we go to Bitcoin? Everyone's favorite.
Everyone's favorite. So Bitcoin, if we zoom out just a bit. Come on, I keep pressing the wrong one. Okay. And so we hit a new all-time high yesterday, Andrew. Haven't even marked it up on the chart yet. We can get rid of that. What do you think? How are you looking at Bitcoin going into the end of the week? Towards the end of the week.
What are we on? We're on a 30-minute chart. We test that. Do you know what? I just put my glasses on. That'll help, right? Yes, we have.
I can zoom in a bit.
Yes, we have tested at 103,200 level. Seems to be forming like some support around there. If we break through that 103,200, I'd probably be looking to go short if I was trading Bitcoin. So just be quite mindful of that.
Yeah, it's been going up for quite a while here. I wouldn't be surprised if we did get a bit of a pullback, Andrew.
Yeah, so 102,900. I'd be quite mindful of that level.
Okay, let me. I'm gonna zoom out just a bit once I put this all-time high in there. Okay, let's zoom out just a little bit and see where the support has been in the past. So where you're at now. So if we broke through that level, I'd be looking at a pullback around to the 88% mark. So be quite mindful of Bitcoin today, but it's still floating above 100k. So that's great news. For the Bitcoin investors, right? And people who are mining Bitcoin. So that's great. What XRP did we move much yesterday due to the news of the stablecoin? So in the beginning parts of the day, we were moving higher, and then I think last time I checked, it kind of peaked out sort of around midday. Let's have a look and see what happened. I forgot where I put my crypto. Here we go. Here we go. XRP. Yeah, we kind of peaked out.
Yeah, so that followed Bitcoin as well. Yeah, it seems to be forming some support though. Nice bullish candle from that last drop. So yeah, we could be seeing a push higher. I'd like to see Ripple or XRP get up to our $3 mark. That would be great.
Yeah, it would be very nice if we could see something like that. It looks like it's trying. I mean, the news yesterday, that was very timely. That was a good call on the news.
It was.
So
yeah. Is that ideal as well, leading into Christmas period. And did you trade the S&P yesterday?
I did one trade yesterday. It was I did two trades yesterday. It was a bit of a choppy day, so I had to really work for my pippage. Had to work to get a little bit of something. I did mark it up on the chart here, so you can see we didn't really move too much outside of the opening range, but I rode it from the opening range low. Yeah, and we got a nice move out of the opening range high. That was the second trade, and then the first trade was from here down to here.
Oh, yeah, you got some
from here to here.
Yeah, some great moves.
Yeah, I mean, you can see it wasn't a great day for a proper breakout, but you could still sometimes you can put together a few dollars if you catch it right.
Yeah, no. So what's the plan for today with the news? You gonna trade much or?
Yeah, so the big news event, I'm gonna probably not trade in the morning. So not trade until the news is usually what happens. So I've had a look at the past few times they've had this announcement, and usually up until 7 o'clock, it looks kind of like this. Not a whole lot of action. So I'd rather just save my energy, save my capital, and then at 7 o'clock, focus in, see if there's some opportunities, and take the opportunities if they do come.
Yeah, I'll be watching, but hopefully I'll be out by then. So we just get back to gold. So we're still just testing this level here. Really need to break. It's really trying to break this vertical support level. So hopefully we can get to that. But yeah, that's going to be it for myself. To be honest, I'm just waiting for this price to move one direction or the other. And obviously, I'm going to be standing by the front door today, waiting for the man from DHL. So I'll be WhatsApping you now in a bit. So
yeah. Do they give you a time or anything, or no? They don't do that, do they?
Yeah,
that makes it too easy.
Did say this morning we can actually track the package. Okay. So I'll be at the front door, so don't worry. So yeah, for myself, I'm just waiting for gold. It's consolidating on this support level, and if it can break through that, we might get down to take profit. So yeah, really, that's it for myself. That's what we're doing. We're just trading the old strategy, and it's worked for me in the past. So if it's not broke, don't fix it, right? So
I agree. I like that that we're both using strategies that have worked over they've survived the test of time. They've worked over the long term. And I think similar to Alex, we had Alex Lero on Monday. Sometimes you can find little tweaks, like little things that work better. But I think we've both kind of come to the realization that it's better to use something that we know will work over time.
Yeah, definitely. Just gonna while we hear this. So I'm definitely going down the VWAP rabbit hole over the new year. So just marking the high and the low in now. Normally, if we get a break above here, we're going long, and a break below here. So at the moment, we're just consolidating with the price. So I'll stick in this trade, and let's get an indication to reverse it or exit. And yeah, really, that's it for myself today. I don't have much more. The trade's going to run right. We're going to break the support here, get down to take profit, or we're going to reverse the trade and hopefully get up to the Asian high. So I'll I'll see you tomorrow morning. Yeah.
Tomorrow morning, Thursday, December the 19th.
Yeah, just a couple more to go, and then we can wait for Santa and see what he brings us, right? So
Yeah,
Yeah,
that should be nice.
yes, no, thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Yeah, thank you, Andrew. Have a great day. Enjoy it. And yeah, all the best with your trades today.
Excellent, you too. Right, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks Mandela. Bye for now.
Thanks, Andrew. Okay, bye.